Hi home cooks, today I'm in the kitchen making Pouding Chômeur. This classic Quebec maple dessert, it's a soft cake baked inside a maple syrup sauce. As this dessert's baking in the oven, the cake comes to the top and the maple sauce thickens underneath. When we were at the Pancake House this year, this recipe was definitely on the list. So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make Pouding Chômeur. I'm going to start this recipe with the easy maple sauce. In a sauce pot over medium-low heat, mix together 1 cup of maple syrup and 1 cup of water. I'm just going to mix these together and let them come to a low boil. And now for the soft, moist cake, I'm going to mix together 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a ½ teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of sugar. Into the dry ingredients, I'm going to pour 3/4 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk this into the dry ingredients until the cake batter is just combined. Now I've already greased a 9 by 9 inch cake pan. I'm going to pour my cake batter inside. And now on top of the batter, I'm going to very gently pour on top the hot maple syrup mixture that we prepared at the beginning. The maple flavor is going to infuse into my cake as it bakes together in the oven. And it's ready to get popped into my preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius oven and bake for 40 to 45 minutes, or until the top of the cake is golden and baked all the way through to the middle. After removing my cake from the oven, I'm going to allow it to sit about 5 minutes. This is going to allow the maple sauce on the bottom of the cake to set and thicken as it cools. To serve this easy cake, scoop out each slice, turning it over so the creamy maple syrup pudding layer is on top of each slice. This easy cake is perfect served just as it is. Or you can add a generous dollop of fresh whipped cream, some ice cream to melt on top, or with some fresh fruit on the side. This easy Canadian dessert recipe is perfect for maple season. The perfect simple fluffy cake, baked with its own golden maple syrup sauce underneath. And as always, you can find a link to the full written recipe in the description box below. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.